Hello singers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to your vocal warm-up for beginner. Today I'm going to guide you through this beginner vocal warm-up. So if you're new to singing or looking for a gentle short practice, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to follow me on Spotify to get access to all my vocal exercises. I'll play the piano, just follow along. Let's begin. Let's start with lip trills. Back down. A few more. Keep going. Great job. Next up, humming. Follow along. One more. Very nice. Let's continue with V sound. Follow along. Let's practice. Let's go. Next exercise, we're going to start on a hum and then open on A, E, I, O, U. Let's begin. Next up, let's sing me, me, me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Back down, keep going. Me, 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 me. Last one here. Let's move on to the next exercise. Let's practice this one. Let's do this exercise together. Last one here. Well done, my friends. Be proud of yourself. You've made it this far. Don't forget to like this video so you can come back and practice with me this week. Subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye bye.